Hello everyone, welcome back to Sam's Diecast showroom. Today we're going to be unboxing another 2022 Hot Wheels. Trying to get some of the 2022 videos out. 2022 cars are getting pretty popular right now, but I picked this up at my Walmart today. This is the Skull Crusher, a 2022 Hot Wheels release from the Street Beast, series number 1 of 5. This is number 14 of 250 for 2022, and pretty cool casting. I got this on my Walmart today. Like I said, HCV44 is the number. This is from the A case. Street Beasts are creatures on wheels that are beasts on the street with a 2021 copyright. And this is a 2022 Hot Wheels casting. And let's just get it open. And slight ripping on the packaging there, but that's alright. Skull Crusher. I'm getting a lot of 2021 Hot Wheels loose. I only picked 6 of them up. Or 5 actually. 5 of the 2022 Hot Wheels on my Walmart today. And these are pretty cool. I am liking the new releases. This Skull Crusher looks pretty cool. I mean, it is a fantasy car. It's got metal flake wheels. What? Metal flake green wheels with a white lip on it. You can see it's like a vertebrae there for the engine. And how many spokes is that? I don't know. Got the skull there. Here's the front. Pretty cool. And there you are. Nice. It's got like kind of a Diora look. Like a backwards Diora look. Look at that skull right there. Very cool. The tampos on the top. You can see those tampos right there. Cool. And this is the Skull Crusher 2022 Hot Wheels. And take a look at that die-cast base. You can see that. Made in Malaysia. 2009 copyright. So this is not a new model. And that engine and that skull is the plastic part of this casting. Skull Crusher 2022 Hot Wheels. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.